Test 8.4c. Teak 8.4c. I can find the slope and y-intercept from a table or graph. 1. The table shows the number of gallons of gasoline in a car's gas tank after the car has been driven X miles. When these data are graphed on a coordinate grid, the points all lie on the same line. What are the slope and y-intercept of this line? A. Slope equals 1/25. Y-intercept is equal to 375. B. Slope equals negative 1/25. Y-intercept equals 15. C. Slope equals 25. Y-intercept equals 375. D. Slope equals negative 25. Y-intercept equals 15. Number 2. What are the slope and y-intercept of the graph of the linear function shown on the grid? A. Slope equals 4. Y-intercept equals negative 6. B. Slope equals negative 4. Y-intercept equals negative 1.5. C. Slope equals negative 1/4. Y-intercept equals negative 1.5. D. Slope equal 1/4. Y-intercept equals negative 6. Carolyn will buy the same number of stamps every month to add to a stamp collection her grandfather gave her. The table shows the number of stamps Carolyn will have at the end of X months. How many stamps was Carolyn given, and how many stamps will she buy every month? A. Carolyn was given 200 stamps, and she will buy 50 stamps every month. B. Carolyn was given 180 stamps, and she will buy 70 stamps every month. C. Carolyn was given 180 stamps, and she will buy 50 stamps every month. D. Carolyn was given 200 stamps, and she will buy 70 stamps every month. Number 4. Emily sells greeting cards. The graph models the linear relationship between the number of boxes of cards she sells and her profit. Which of these best describes the profit Emily will make from selling these cards? A. $7.50 per box. B. $10 per box. C. $4 per 30 boxes. D. $3 per 4 boxes. Teak 8.5i. I can write an equation in the form y equals mx plus b or y equals kx from a situation. 5. The graph of a linear function is shown on the coordinate grid. What is the y-intercept of the graph of the linear function? A. 2.5. B. negative 2. C. 5. D. negative 5. Number 6. Frankie bought a new computer. He made an initial payment of $50 to the store, and he will pay $30 each month until the computer is paid off. Which equation represents the relationship between M, the number of monthly payments Frankie has made, and T, the total amount that Frankie has paid to the store? A. T equals 50M plus 30. B. T equals 30M minus 50. C. T equals 50M minus 30. D. T equals 30M plus 50. Number 7. Mr. Leonard is renting a car for 1 day. The table shows the total amount he will be charged for the car based on the number of miles he drives. Which equation best represents C, the number of dollars Mr. Leonard should be charged for driving M miles? A. C is equal to 0.10 M plus 30. B. C is equal to 30 M plus 0.10. C. C is equal to 0.50 M plus 30. D. C is equal to 30 M plus 0.50. Number 8. Which function is best represented by the graph? A, y equals x plus 6, B, y equals negative 2x plus 3, C, y equals 2x plus 6, D, y equals x plus 3. Teak 8.5 F and H. I can determine a proportional relationship from a graph or verbal representation. Number 9. Which graph shows a proportional relationship between x and y? Number 10. Which situation represents a proportional relationship? A. The cost of purchasing a basket of oranges for $1.50 per pound plus $5 for the basket. B. The cost of purchasing peaches for $7 per box of peaches with a delivery charge of $3. C. The cost of purchasing grapefruit for $1.80 per pound with a coupon for $1 off the total cost. D. The cost of purchasing apples for $1.75 per pound plus a shipping fee of 16 cents per pound.